come today in front of me HTC Desire 628 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display with Muviz Edge application on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store and in the search enter the Muviz Edge, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install to accept, and now just wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. Now just open the application and here click on the AOD screen. Here, as can you see, we got applied this terminal. For example, we can select the second one or the another one. Like, for example, we can go with the second one, and now just tap here to apply. And here by tap on the left down corner, you can edit and customize the size, the colors. And here on the right upper corner, just you should tap once on the AOD mode to enable the always on display on HTC Desire 628 lock screen. And now just here tap to OK for the first time. So as can you see, that's how it looks, that's how we can turn on the always on display option on our HTC Desire 628, because we have no default AOD feature installed on our device, so we should just download this application, and by this way we can turn on the always on display option on our HTC phone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.